Most passive income advice online requires money to get started. Buy a course, run paid ads, purchase inventory, invest in tools. But there is a genuine strategy for building passive income on Etsy that requires zero upfront investment. And thousands of people are using it right now to generate consistent monthly income from their laptops. This is exactly how it works. Chapter 1. Why Etsy is the perfect starting point. Etsy has over 90 million active buyers actively searching for products to purchase right now. These are not people browsing casually. They are buyers with credit cards ready to spend on things they want. That built-in traffic is extraordinarily valuable because it means you do not need to build an audience, run paid advertisements, or spend money on marketing to make your first sale. Compare that to starting a standalone website where you start with 0 visitors and have to earn every single one through SEO, social media, or paid ads, a process that takes months and often significant money. On Etsy, the traffic already exists. Your job is simply to put the right products in front of it. The platform specifically rewards independent sellers offering unique products. Buyers come to Etsy precisely because they want something different from what Amazon and big box retailers offer. This creates a genuine opportunity for individual sellers with no business background to compete and win. Chapter 2. The digital download model. Digital downloads are the purest form of passive income available on Etsy. You create a file once, you upload it once, and every time someone purchases it, Etsy automatically delivers it to the buyer. No printing, no shipping, no handling, no inventory, no supplier. Nothing after the initial creation. The profit margin is essentially 100% after Etsy's fees, typically around 20 to 30 cents per transaction, plus a 6.5% transaction fee. On a product priced at $5, you keep roughly $4.20. On a product priced at $15, you keep roughly $13. And you can sell the same file an unlimited number of times with zero additional work. The types of digital products that sell consistently on Etsy include printable wall art, planners and organizers, resume templates, wedding invitations, business card templates, budget spreadsheets, educational worksheets, social media templates, greeting cards, and hundreds of other file types that buyers print or use themselves after downloading. Chapter 3. Free tools that replace paid ones. The zero investment strategy works because free tools now exist that replace everything you would previously have paid for. Canva's free plan is the starting point for most successful digital product sellers. Canva allows you to create professional quality designs for virtually any product type: planners, wall art, templates, invitations, worksheets. Without any design experience, the interface is drag and drop. The free plan includes thousands of templates and design elements that you can customize and build upon. You do not need to create from scratch. You need to make something better than what already exists in your target niche. For AI assistants, ChatGPT is free and extraordinarily useful for this business. Use it to research what types of digital products are selling in specific niches. Use it to generate keyword ideas for your listings. Use it to write compelling product descriptions and titles. Use it to brainstorm new product ideas you have not considered. A free ChatGPT account replaces what sellers use to pay consultants and courses to provide. For mock-up images, the photos that show buyers what your product looks like, Canva's free plan includes basic mock-up capabilities. You can also find free mock-up templates on websites like FreePic and Pixabay that allow you to present your digital products professionally without spending money. Chapter 4. Finding what actually sells. The biggest mistake beginners make is creating products they personally like, rather than products buyers are actively searching for. Your preferences are irrelevant. Market demand is everything. Before creating a single product, spend time researching. Go to Etsy and search for digital downloads in categories that interest you. Filter results by most recent and by bestseller. Look at what shops with high sales numbers are offering. Read the reviews to understand what buyers specifically value and what they complain about. This research tells you exactly what the market wants and where the gaps are. Look for niches where demand is clear, but the existing products have obvious weaknesses. Maybe the best-selling planner in a particular category has a confusing layout. Maybe the most popular wall art in a niche only comes in one color scheme These gaps are your opportunity. Create a version that solves the problem the existing products have not solved. Seasonal trends create predictable income spikes. Wedding season drives enormous demand for invitation templates, seating chart templates, and wedding planning tools. Back to school season drives demand for study planners, classroom resources, and organizational tools. The new year drives demand for budget planners, goal-setting worksheets, and habit trackers. Creating products for these seasonal peaks 8 to 10 weeks in advance gives your listings time to rank in search before demand peaks. Chapter 5. The compounding effect. This is the most important concept in the entire strategy. Every listing you add to your shop is a permanent asset working for you. Unlike a job where you trade time for money and stop earning the moment you stop working, every product you create and list continues to generate sales indefinitely without additional effort. A shop with 10 listings has 10 chances to be found. A shop with 100 listings has 100 chances. A shop with 500 listings has 500 chances. The sellers generating $3,000 to $5,000 per month with digital downloads almost universally have large catalogs built consistently over time rather than a handful of products. The compounding works in another way too. Etsy's algorithm rewards shops with good reviews, consistent sales history, and complete listings. As your shop accumulates positive reviews and sales history, your listings rank higher in search results, which generates more sales, which generates more reviews, which improves rankings further. The growth is slow at first and accelerates significantly once the algorithm begins to trust your shop. Chapter 6. Starting today. With nothing. Here is the exact starting point. Open a free Canva account. Open a free ChatGPT account. Create a free Etsy seller account. Research one specific niche using Etsy Search and Pinterest. Create 3 to 5 digital products in that niche using Canva. Write optimized listings using keyword research from Erank's free tier. Upload your first products. The total financial investment is the Etsy listing fee, currently 20 cents per listing. 5 listings cost $1. That is the entire upfront cost of starting this business. Everything else is time. Time spent researching. Time spent designing. Time spent writing good listings. Time spent learning what works and what does not. The people making $3,000 per month with this strategy are not special. They are not professional designers. They are not marketing experts. They are people who started with the same free tools you have access to right now, and who kept going consistently long enough for the compounding effect to work. The strategy is real. The tools are free. The traffic already exists on Etsy. The only thing missing is you starting.